Hello everyone, this is Roger the Pirate again, and today I got a food review. Bird's Eye Golden Crunch Microwave Chips Crinkles. Cook in just 4 minutes in the microwave. Bird's Eye microwave chips are super quick and easy to make. Simply cook in the microwave, and the breakfast is dar, and within minutes you have a super crunchy, super tasty, fast chips. Ready to be demolished. Snack size box makes ultimate mid-afternoon, or any time in the brackets, snack. These chips are perfectly crunchy on the outside and filled with delicious potato on the inside. Hide them from your mates because everyone will love them, and they kind of keep on coming back for more. Trademark licensed by Simple Law Australia Private Limited, Chifley Park, Chifley Drive, Manatone, Victoria 3194. Zip code in some countries, postcodes in the others, Australia. Keep frozen at or below -18. Product must be cooked before consumption. No artificial preservatives, colours or flavours. If you'd like to know more about the products or wish to call us, please call 1800 061 279 toll-free Australia. New Zealand it's 0800 448613 toll-free in New Zealand. Or www.birdseye.com.au or www.birdseye.co.nz for New Zealand. Simply www.simplygreatmeals.com.au. Made in Germany. Nutrition information. Serving size 140 grams. Average calories per serving 130 kilojoules. By 100 mils, 982 kilojoules. Fat 4.3 and 3.1. Fat 13.4 to 9.61. Carbohydrates will be roasted sugars 46.2 and 33 grams in sugars, less than 1 gram for both. Dietary fibre 2.2 grams per 100 grams, 1.6. Sodium 84 milligrams, 60 milligrams. Ingredients 9% potato, canola oil, dextrose wheat maize, contains wheat. Steps on the side. Open box. Decorations with creating a lid. Whack it in the microwave with lid fully open for maximum crunch. For 1100 watts, 3 minutes 46 on the high for 1000. 3 minutes 46 on the high for 100 kilojoules and 4 minutes on the high. Number 3, take it out of the microwave and light the season with salt if you like. Number 4 is, after that is, now shake the lid and now close the lid and give it a shake, and stand for 2 minutes with lid open for maximum chip crunch, and then dig in. Like us at birdseye.australia. I give these chips here 8 out of 10. Until next time, I see you around.